Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to set up Apple Pay and Wallet on your iPhone. First of all, open Wallet application on your device, and now in the top section you will see plus button. Let's tap debit or credit card. And now we're going to place your iPhone on back of your card to scan your card automatically, or you can select the second option, enter card details manually, but in this case you have to enter card number, also CVV number and expiration date. Now after this, you want to follow on-screen prompts from your bank to verify your card, that that it's really you and that you really want to add your card to your wallet, to your Apple Pay. Okay, and now when you go back, when the card is added, you will see it right here at the top. So the first card that you see right here is your default card, but this can be changed in your settings. So let's open your settings. Now let's scroll down to section Wallet and Apple Pay, and if you go to section Apple Pay defaults, here tap on default card at the top, you can select Apple Pay default card, and as well here you can enable double click side button. So next time that you want to use your Apple Pay, all you're gonna do is double click your power button, and your Apple Pay should work. So like this, then you have to authorize with your Face ID, and now you can end your transaction. So that's how it works. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.